Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling the P046 trouble code. If you've seen this code pop up on your vehicle's OBD-i scanner, it means fuel level sensor circuit intermittent. But don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, how to diagnose it, and what you can do to fix it yourself. Let's get started. The P046 code refers to a problem with the fuel level sensor, specifically that it's sending intermittent or unreliable signals to your car's engine control module ECM. This could mean anything from faulty wiring to a malfunctioning sensor. Inaccurate fuel gauge, erratic behavior of the fuel needle, or the car may not start due to incorrect fuel level readings. OBD-i scanner, multimeter, basic hand tools, screwdriver, wrench set, fuel pump assembly replacement kit if needed, safety gloves and glasses. Let's confirm that the P046 code is accurate by scanning the vehicle's system. I'm using my OBD-i scanner to pull the diagnostic codes. In many cars, the fuel level sensor is located on the fuel pump assembly, which may be accessible by removing the rear seat or accessing the tank from underneath. Inspect the wiring harness that leads to the fuel level sensor. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. These are common culprits behind this error code. Once you have access, use a multimeter to check the resistance of the sensor. Refer to your vehicle's repair manual for the correct range. If the resistance is out of range, the sensor could be faulty, and you'll need to replace it. Now that we've replaced the sensor, it's time to clear the code. Plug the OBD-i scanner back in and clear the trouble codes from the ECU. After that, take the car for a test drive and see if the check engine light stays off. And there you have it. That's how you diagnose and fix the P046 error code. Whether it's a wiring issue or a faulty fuel level sensor, you now have the knowledge to tackle it yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching and happy driving.